dy by dx at the point value, d square y by dx square at the point value. That is dy by dx at the point is minus 1 and d square by dx square at the point is 4 by. Now we have to find the radius of curvature. The radius of curvature formula is radius of curvature rho is 1 plus dy by dx the whole square whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by d square by dx square. Right? We know that the value dy by dx and d square by dx square. So replace the values minus 1 and 4 by. That is 1 plus minus 1 whole square whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by second value is 4 by 2. Right? So simulate the equation. 1 plus minus 1 whole square value is 1 plus 1 whole divided by 3 by 2 whole divided by 4 by 4 by a can be plus a divided by 4. Right? A divided by 4 into 2 power 3 by. Right? This 2 power 3 by can be plus a by 4 into 2 into 2 power 1 by 2. Right? Okay. They can cancel numerator 2 and division 4. That is a by 2 into square root of 2. This 2 also can be plus square root of 2 into square root of 2. So a divided by square root of 2 into square root of 2 numerator square root. So we can cancel numerator square root 2 division square root. So final answer is a divided by square root of 2. This is our radius of curvature rho. Next we have to find x bar and y bar. Okay. X bar formula is x minus dy by dx into 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole divided by d square by dx square. Right? Okay. Here x value is a by 4 given in the formula. A by 4 minus dy by dx at the point value is minus 1. Minus of minus is plus 1 into 1 plus dy by dx whole square. That is 1 plus minus 1 whole square whole divided by d square by d square. That value is 4 by 2. Okay. So which is equal to simplify the equation a by 4 plus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 square, that is 1. Then 1 divided by 4 by a can be plus a by 4. Here a by 4 plus a by 4, that is 2 times a by 4. They can be plus 2 times a by 4. They can cancel 2 and 4, that is a by 4. So x bar value is a by 2. Similarly, we have to find y bar also. Y bar formula is y plus 1 divided by d square by dx square into 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Here also y value is a by 4 plus 1 divided by d square by d square value is 4 by 8. Next 1 plus dy by dx whole square, that is 1 plus minus 1 whole square, which is equal to a by 4 into 4 by a can 1 divided by 4 by a can plus a by 4. 1 plus minus 1 square value is 1. Here also a by 4 plus a by 4, 2 times a by 4. So which is equal to 2 times a by 4. We can cancel numerator 2 and division 4. The final answer is a by 2. So x bar value is a by 2, y bar also a by 2. Our radius of curvature formula is x minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square equal to rho square. replace x bar, y bar, no values in the above equation. That is x minus x bar is a by 2. So x minus a by 2 whole square plus y minus y bar. Y bar also a by 2. Y minus a by 2 whole square equal to rho square. What is the value of rho? Rho is a divided by square root of a. Sorry, square root of 2. That is a square divided by 2. So this is our final answer. Circle of curvature for the curve. X square root of x plus square root of y equal to a at the point a by 4, a by 4. Thank you.